அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் கம்பைன்ட் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் எக்ஸாமோட ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் பேப்பர் மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு தான் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம். மாடல் கொஷின் பேப்பர் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம். 50 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்துருப்போம். அதோட கண்டினியூஷன் தான் இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். கொஷின் நம்பர் 51. Which of the following represents confidence coefficient? Option A alpha, option B alpha by 2, option C 1 minus alpha, option D 1 minus alpha by 2. The correct answer is option C 1 minus alpha. Question number 52. The power of the test is related to option A alpha, option B beta, option C 1 minus alpha, option D 1 minus beta. Correct option is option D. The answer is 1 minus beta. Question number 53. Hypothesis of no difference is called option A null hypothesis, option B alternative hypothesis, option B simple hypothesis, option D composite hypothesis. The correct answer is option A null hypothesis. Question number 54. If power of the test is greater than or equal to the size of the critical region based on H naught is theta equal to theta naught against H1 is theta equal to theta 1. The test is called option A unbiased, option B most powerful test, option C uniformly most powerful test, option D none of these. The answer is unbiased, option A. Question number 55. The least square estimators are option A best, option B linear, option C unbiased, option D blue. The correct answer is option C unbiased. Question number 56. If n1 of t and n2 of t are Poisson processes, then n1 of t plus n2 of t is dash. Option A not a Poisson process, option B a Markov chain, option C a Poisson process, option D Wiener process. The correct answer is option C a Poisson process. Question number 57. The form of binomial distribution with mean 10 and variance 5 is dash. Option A 0.5 plus 0.5 into whole power 10, option B 0.5 plus 0.5 the whole power 20, option C 0.6 plus 0.4 the whole power 10, option D 0.6 plus 0.4 the whole power 20. The correct answer is option B 0.5 plus 0.5 the whole power 20. Question number 58. In a Poisson distribution, the mean value is 5 and the value of variance is dash. Option A 25, option B root 5, option C 125, option D 5. The correct answer is option D 5. Question number 59. The third raw moment of Poisson distribution is dash. Option A lambda cube, option B 3 lambda square plus 2 lambda, option C lambda, option D lambda cube plus 3 lambda square plus lambda. The correct answer is option D lambda cube plus 3 lambda square plus lambda. Question number 60. The Poisson distribution is completely known if it's dash. Option A mean and variance are known, option B fourth central moment is known, option C mean is known, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C mean is known. The Poisson distribution is completely known if its mean is known. Question number 61. The mean and variance of binomial distribution are 4 and 4 by 3 respectively. Then n is dash. Option A 6, option B 4, option C 16, option D 3. The correct answer is option A 6. Question number 62. For a hypergeometric distribution h of k, capital N, capital M, n, small n, the mean is dash. Option A n, capital N, option B small m, option C k, option D small n into small m divided by capital N. The correct answer is option D small n into small m divided by capital N. Question number 63. The probability generating function of binomial distribution P of S is dash. Option A, q plus p e power t the whole power n. Option B, q plus p e power t the whole power minus n. Option C, ps plus q the whole power n. Option D, e power lambda into e power t minus 1. The correct answer is option C, ps plus q the whole power n. So next, question number 64. Systematic sampling means dash. Option A, selection of n continuous units. Option B, selection of n units situated at equal distance. Option C, selection of n large units. Option D, selection of n middle units. The correct answer is option B, selection of n units situated at equal distance. So question number 65. In dash, every unit falling after a chosen gap of units is included in the sample. Option A, interval sampling. Option B, simple random sampling. Option C, purposive sampling. Option D, cluster sampling. The correct answer is option A, interval sampling. Question number 66. Double sampling is also known as dash sampling. Option A, two-stage sampling. Option B, two-phase sampling. Option C, two-directional sampling. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option B, two-phase sampling. Question number 67. Formula written as quartile deviation divided by sum of third and first quartile is used to calculate dash. Option A, coefficient of quartile deviation. Option B, coefficient of quartiles. Option C, coefficient of central tendency. Option D, coefficient of interquartiles. The correct answer is option A, coefficient of quartile deviation. Question number 68. When all the items within a cluster is alike, which sampling procedure is adopted? Option A, simple random sampling. Option B, cluster sampling. Option C, systematic sampling. Option D, stratified sampling. The correct answer is option A, simple random sampling. Question number 69. MODI method, MODI, MODI method is used to find the optimum solution for dash. Option A, assignment problem. Option B, sequencing problem. Option C, transportation problem. And option D, LPP. The correct answer is option C, transportation problem. Question number 70. A 3/4 transportation problem will have a non-degenerate solution if the number of basic variables is dash. A 3/4 transportation problem will have a non-degenerate solution if the number of basic variable is dash. Option A 7, option B 8, option B 6, option C 6, option D 12. The correct answer is option C 6. Question number 71. In the standard form of LPP, all constraints are expressed in the form of dash. Option A, equation. Option B, inequality of the type lesser or equal to. Option C, inequality of the type greater than or equal to. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, equation. Question number 72. For any assignment problem, the cost matrix must be dash. Option A, unit matrix. Option B, square matrix. Option C, row matrix. Option D, column matrix. The correct answer is option B, square matrix. Question number 73. In what situations a systematic sample is more preferred than others? Option A, when the data are on cards. Option B, when the items are in rows. Option C, when the items situated at equal distance are uncorrelated. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C. That is when the items situated at equal distance are uncorrelated. Question number 74. For gathering information on rare events, sampling is used. Option A, SRS WOR. Option B, stratified random sampling. Option C, inverse sampling. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, inverse sampling. So, for gathering information on rare events, inverse sampling is used. Then question number 75. How many types of optimum allocations are there in common use? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is option B 2. Question number 76. The Wilcoxon rank sum test compares dash. Option A 2 population, option B 3 or more populations, option C a sample mean to the population mean, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A 2 populations. Question number 77. The best method to estimate alpha and beta of a non-linear model is dash. Option A moving average method, option B semi-average method, option B simple average method, option D least square method. Answer for question number 77 is option D least square method. Question number 78. If A and B are independent events, then P of A dot P of B is dash. Option A P of A union B, option B P of A intersection B, option C null, option D none of these. So the correct answer is option B P of A intersection B. Question number 79. WLLN does not require the existence of dash moment. Option A first, option B second, option B third, option D none of these. The correct answer is option A first. Question number 80. The sign test assumes that the samples are dash. Option A independent, option B dependent, option C have the same mean, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B dependent. Question number 81. The error degrees of freedom for a 2 cube factorial experiment in the 4 blocks is dash. Option A 21, option B 29, option C 18, option D 13. The correct answer is option A 21. Question number 82. The 2 cube factorial experiment can be performed as a CRD with dash treatments. Option A 3, option B 2, option C 8, option D 7. The correct answer for question number 82 is option C 8. Question number 83. The following model YY equals to mu plus alpha 1 plus beta 1 plus EY is meant for dash. Option A one-way classification, option B two-way classification, option C three-way classification, option D all of these. The correct answer is option B two-way classification. Question number 84. The error degrees of freedom for two-way classified data is dash. Option A PQ into n minus 1, option B NP into Q minus 1, option C NQ into P minus 1, option D P minus 1 into Q minus 1. The correct answer is option D P minus 1 into Q minus 1. Question number 85. For testing independence of M cross N contingency table, the degrees of freedom of a chi-square will be dash. Option A M cross N, option B M minus 1 cross N, option C M minus 1 cross N minus 1, option D M by N minus 1. So the correct answer is option C M minus 1 by N minus 1. Question number 86. The basic principles of design of experiment are dash. Option A local control, option B randomization, option C replication, option D all of these. The correct answer is option D all of these. Question number 87. Error degrees of freedom in a 5 by 5 Latin square design is dash. Option A 25, option B 16, option C 12, option D 18. The correct answer is option C 12. Question number 88. In a double sampling plan, a decision about the acceptance or rejection of a lot dash. Option A will never reach, option B will always reach, option C will sometimes reach, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B, will always reach. And question number 89. In double sampling plan, the acceptance number C1 and C2 are dash. Option A, C1 is less than C2, option B, C1 greater than C2, option C, C1 equal to C2, option D, C2 equal to C1 divided by 2. The correct answer is option A, C1 is less than C2. Question number 90. Producer's risk means dash. Option A, bad quality product accepted by the consumer, bad quality product rejected by the consumer, good quality product accepted by the consumer, good quality product rejected by the consumer. The correct answer is option D, good quality product rejected by the consumer. That is the producer's risk. Question number 91. If Tn tends to theta as n tends to infinity, then Tn is said to be dash. A, sufficient, B, efficient, C, consistent, D, unbiased. The correct answer is option C, consistent. Question number 92. If x1 and x2 are independent variates, which of the following statement is not true? Option A, E of x1 x2 equal to E of x1 into E of x2. Option B, E of x1 plus x2 equal to E of x1 plus E of x2. Option C, E of x1 minus x2 equal to E of x1 minus E of x2. Option D, E of x1 divided by x2 equal to E of x1 divided by E of x2. The correct answer is option D, E of x1 divided by x2 equal to E of x1 divided by E of x2. Question number 93. In one way and ANOVA, the total variation is partitioned into dash. Option A, 2 components, option B, 3 components, option C, 4 components, and option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, 2 components. Question number 94. The critical region for chi-square test for goodness of fit is dash. Option A, chi-square is greater than chi-square alpha. Option B, chi-square is less than chi-square alpha. Option C, chi-square is greater than chi-square alpha by 2. Option D, chi-square is less than chi-square alpha by 2. The correct answer is option A, chi-square greater than chi-square alpha. That is the correct answer. Question number 95. In T distribution of two independent samples, n1 equal to n2 equal to n, then the degrees of freedom is equal to dash. Option A, 2n minus 1, option B, 2n minus 2, option C, 2n plus 1, and option D, n minus 1. The correct answer is option B, 2n minus 2. Question number 96. With a lower significance level, the probability of rejecting a null hypothesis that is actually true dash. Option A increases, option B remains the same, option C decreases, and D none of these. The correct answer is option C decreases. Question number 97. The test static corresponding to large sample approximation of medium test follows dash test. Option A, F test, option B, students T test, option C, chi-square test, and option D, Z test. The correct answer is option C, chi-square test. Question number 98. For a group of n people, the correlation between height and weight is calculated, then it will be dash. Option A, positive, option B, negative, option C, 0, Option D, either A or B. The correct answer is option A, positive. Question number 99. Whether a test is one-sided or two-sided depends on dash. A, null hypothesis. Option B, alternative hypothesis. And C, simple hypothesis. D, composite hypothesis. The correct answer is option B, alternative hypothesis. Question number 100. The non-parametric test which is used to test the randomness is dash test. Option A, sign test. Option B, Wilcoxon's signed rank test. Option C, run test. And option D, median test. The correct answer is option C, run test. So what is the answer for for question number 99? It is option B, alternative hypothesis. And the answer for question number 100 is option C, run test. So now we have discussed next 50 questions. So இதோட 100 questions பார்த்துருக்கோம். Next 50 questions வந்து நம்ம அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். இது எல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம கம்பைன்டு ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் எக்ஸாம் இன்னும் ஃபியூ டேஸில் வரப்போகிற எக்ஸாமுக்கான ஒரு மாடல் டெஸ்ட் மாதிரி. இதே மாதிரி பேட்டர்ன்ஸில் கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து நீங்கள் எதிர்பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ கொஷின்ஸை நல்லா பாருங்கள். இதே மாதிரி பேட்டர்னில் இருக்க மற்ற கொஷின்ஸையும் என்ன பண்ணுங்கள், ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுங்கள். எக்ஸாம் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுற எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். தேங்க்யூ.